Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process of changing the plug on your Rowenta appliance. First, make sure you have the following tools ready: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, wire strippers, and a new plug suitable for your appliance's specifications. Begin by disconnecting your appliance from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the plug housing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Set them aside in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the plug housing to expose the internal wiring. Now, take a moment to inspect the existing wiring. If you notice any frayed or damaged wires, it's crucial to replace them to avoid any electrical hazards. Using your wire strippers, carefully strip about ½ inch of insulation from the ends of the wires. You should be left with clean copper ends, ready for connection. If you find this process challenging or if you don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you identify the issue with your appliance quickly and efficiently. Next, take your new plug and open its housing. Inside, you'll see terminals where the wires will connect. Most plugs will have a specific configuration, so refer to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure you connect the wires correctly. Attach the wires to the appropriate terminals. Typically, the black wire goes to the gold terminal, the white wire to the silver terminal, and the green or bare wire to the green ground terminal. Ensure that each connection is secure, and if necessary, tighten the screws on the terminals to hold the wires in place. After connecting the wires, carefully reassemble the plug housing, ensuring that no wires are pinched in the process. Replace the screws you set aside earlier, securing the housing tightly. Now that your new plug is in place, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your appliance. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean out any dust inside the appliance. This will not only improve functionality but also extend the lifespan of your device. Once everything is secured and cleaned, plug the appliance back in and test it to ensure everything works correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. If you're still uncertain or prefer a hassle-free experience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. Our team will handle the repair without you needing to make any calls or travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work begins, allowing you to make an informed decision. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully change the plug on your Rowenta appliance. Remember, taking care of your appliances not only ensures safety but also maintains their efficiency. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.